Namaskar dosto. So, we've decided this evening to do a little batch cook of curry. I've got my little recipe. So I'm going to start off with 500 grams of dried chickpeas. We're going to soak them overnight in 3 litres of water. In they go. Now, before I put the water in, we got to get it spicy. So, to spice it up, we need lemon juice, salt, garam masala, garlic granules, turmeric, tandoori masala. That looks a bit low, but no worries, I've got another packet. Hot chili powder, cumin seeds, black onion seeds, mustard seeds, tomato puree, and very lazy chopped red chilies. So, let's start off. First thing we need is 100 ml of lemon juice. She does. So that's 6 teaspoons of standard salt, and next up 4 teaspoons of garam masala. That's the garam masala in, and now 2 teaspoons of garlic granules. That's the garlic granules in. So now 4 teaspoons of turmeric. That's the turmeric in. So now we're going for the tandoori masala. Now we need 6 teaspoons of this. That's the tandoori masala in. Now 4 teaspoons of hot chili powder. That's the hot chili powder. Okay, now a teaspoon of cumin seeds. So that's 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Now 2 teaspoons of black onion seeds and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. So that's the black onion seeds and the mustard seeds in there. So now it's tomato puree, 8 teaspoons, and 6 teaspoons of chopped red chili. Right, so that's a total of 8 teaspoons of tomato puree and 6 teaspoons of chopped red chili. So now we're going to add the 3 litres of water and then let it soak overnight. Three litres of water. Get my magic stick. Now all these flavours, as the chickpeas soak overnight, they will pick up all these flavours. And that's it, we don't switch on or anything, we leave that now, and tomorrow we'll be ready to make the actual curry. See you in the morning. Carrots, onions, in there. potatoes. Frozen chili. I got these on offer. Okay, we're 5 hours in, so it's coming along nicely, nice and hot to the touch. It's risen quite a bit. We might have a bit boiling over, but we'll see how it goes. And there we go, after another 4 hours waiting. Gorgeous. That's all for now. I love you. Bye bye.